welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a little bit different. I'm not doing my nails. I actually have a client today, so I'm going to be taking y'all through the appointment with me with my client. A lot of y'all don't know, but I did go to school. I am a licensed full specialist in the state of Florida, which means I am a nail technician and an esthetician. So I have my nail technician licensing and my esthetician licensing. So I do take appointments. So if you're ever in the Holiday, Florida area, definitely message me on any of my social medias and book your appointment, period. But my client is coming in today and I'm just gonna get ready for her appointment and take y'all through it. My client booked for a soak off and a medium set with simple nail art. So that is what I'm gonna do. And this is the welcome mirror. I usually write out their name on the mirror and what service they're getting. First, just prepping for her actual service. I'm gonna put the smock down under my dust collector. My scary bag prepped with all of everything I need for her appointment is already in here. I have my gloves, apron. Alright y'all, so my client arrived. She arrived with these nails on from the chop shop and they were completely MMA. I do not work over other people's work, and sometimes I get like a frown at that when I tell people that, but this is the exact reason. I filed her work off and I kind of knew it was MMA by me filing it. It looked like concrete, and sure enough, when I soaked it, it was gooey. It was just not wanting to come off. It was the definition of MMA. It was so bad, like it literally just did not want to come off. I ended up having to just file it down all the way until I just couldn't anymore. Like it was so bad, y'all, and that is why I always soak off other people's work, because you never know what's on someone's nails. So I did that. Then I started my prep. I push back the cuticles when I prep. That is like one of the first things I do. And then I go in with my 180 sanding bit, and then I just go across the full nail bed, making sure that I get up all the debris and dead skin, and just making sure that I have a smooth base to apply the acrylic to, with nothing that'll make the nail lift off of it. Now you see me going over the cuticles with a ball bit. Usually I would clip the cuticles here, but she gets Russian manicures and her cuticles were like almost non-existent, so I didn't have to do that. Then I go ahead and apply the tips. I make sure that they are sidewall to sidewall, and then I go over the tips with my 180 sanding bit again, just to give it a flat surface, like blend it in with the natural nail, and it just helps with your application. I then go in with my Mia Secrets dehydrator. I dehydrate all the nails, and then after I dehydrate the nails, I go in with my protein bond, and then but I only do this one hand at a time. Like I only apply the protein bond one hand at a time, and I do it in 2 layers. The first layer I do it to the full nail bed, and then the second layer I focus it more on the cuticle area. That's what you see me doing here. This is the acrylic, my application before filing, and this is the final product. My client wanted a different design for every nail, so that's what we did, and it came out so cute, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Come back for the next video. Bye.